Now, in a crucial WhatsApp chat between Sushant's ex-manager Shruti Modi and Sushant's sister Neetu, it is revealed that Sushant's family did know about Sushant's deteriorating mental health condition. In fact, they were well aware that Sushant might have been disturbed. Here's our report.
Crucial WhatsApp chat between Sushant's ex-manager Shruti Modi and Sushant's sister Neetu. The November 2019 chats reveal that Sushant's family knew about his deteriorating mental health condition. The messages by Shruti mentions antidepressants and schizophrenia drugs prescribed for Sushant. The former manager also shared Sushant's prescription and number of psychiatrist Suzanne Walker with Neetu.
This is the prescription that Shruti Modi allegedly sent to Sushant's sister already. So the family was in the know-how of Sushant consuming these drugs. The reason we're listing these drugs out is for you to know that these are the drugs that are used to treat some sort of a mental health disorder, and those are the giveaway. Curapin in 25 milligrams, from what I understand from doctors, it is a pediatric dose. It's a very mild dose given, but this is a dose which is given to treat a condition called schizophrenia. So he was under treatment for schizophrenia, which is a mental health disorder, as you already know. The second one is Certa, also goes by the name Sertraline, in 50 milligrams. This is a medication which is an SSRI. It is used for treating depression.
Shruti, who was Sushant's manager before working for Rhea, adds that the chats clearly show that Sushant's family's claims of being kept in the dark on Sushant's health is untrue.
सुशांत की तीनों बहनें जो हैं वो बंबई में थी और सुशांत के साथ ही रह रही थी और एक पर्टिकुलर डेट उनकी फिक्स थी जब सुशांत उनके साथ जो है बंबई के बाहर जाने वाला था. They were to fly on 27th November 2019 और इनकी बिजनेस क्लास की टिकट्स जो है वो बनी हुई थी चारों की और 26 को जो है इन्होंने आपस में डिस्कशन किया था और रिया से जो है मैनेजर से जो है इन्होंने चैट्स किए थे कि हमें चूंकि ये अभी हमारे साथ जा रहा है तो इनके सारे प्रिस्क्रिप्शन जो हैं वो आप दे दो.
Sushant's girlfriend Rhea Chakravarti too had claimed that she had informed Sushant's family and even handed over his medical files.
उनकी जो एल्डेस्ट सिस्टर है ओपी सिंह जी की वाइफ, उन्होंने कहा कि मैं सब जानती हूँ मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में, मैंने अपनी मदर का भी टेक केयर किया है एंड आई वाज फीलिंग वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. और मैंने उन्हें बताया ठीक है मैम, ये लीजिए, ये हैं डॉक्यूमेंट्स, ये हैं प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस, ये हैं डॉक्टर्स के नंबर, ये हैं दवाइयां, आप प्लीज टच में रहिएगा.
Dr. Parveen Dadachandji, who wrote the alleged prescription for Sushant, seen in the WhatsApp chats, now holds crucial role in throwing light on Sushant's mental health.
Sushant's family in their complaint said that they were not aware about his mental illness, but chats revealed by ex-manager Shruti Modi points in another direction, which the CBI will now have to investigate. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.